Hi guys, today I'm gonna be playing Don't Press the Button. Okay, so wait, what? I love the background, by the way. Okay, what is it? Oh God. No, it's stuck in this hole. Hey. Oh God, who pressed the button? Wee. 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 Hey. Hey. No. Hey. Hey. That isn't fair. Fair. Oh God. What are those? How are people? Okay, so you said that. It costs 10 Robux, I think. Oh! No. Okay, that is a no. No. Don't let them get you. Get to the button. Oh my God, look at all these bolts. It's so hard to get to the center. No! When this game reaches 1,000 likes, I will make a next big update. What's going on? Eat. Let's do that. Okay, nothing's going on. Why is it turning so small? Oh! I think it's called Don't Press the Button for a reason. I press a button. Ooh. Why is this so hard? Why? Oh, it's just a library. When we go outside, it's a brick wall. No. This is mine. My button. What is this? No. I wouldn't want to fall if I were you. Actually, I don't want to fall. Okay. Junior the what? What is that? Ooh, a car. Wee! Yeah! Yoo-hoo! Oh! didn't say don't press the button. Me and this guy died. Literally. Oh. Button. Don't press it. No, don't press that. Ooh. Do. Don't press it. Oh God. Eek. No. Do we go inside? There is a letter. No. We all die. Oh, they're portals. We were all together, so it all... What? It's just a trampoline. Nope. No trampoline. Oh! No! I didn't know. I want to fall. Oh, God. Oh, wait. We have to go in the tent. Because the goats can't go in the tent. Yeah! Just watch it. That's scary. Yodity. No. Come back. No, come back. No, come back. No. What's at the shop? Dance potion. Epic sauce. Tick bomb. I can just dance on my own. Da-na-na-na. What is this type of wall? Oh no. No. Last time when I got on when I'm left, alright, don't worry. This is such a new game. I don't know what's gonna... Whoa. That's some pointy tower. Well, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe button. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.